Well, actually, it hasn't even sunk in properly yet. I'm still trying to comprehend what actually just happened last night. Um, it's super weird. There's no feelings that can relate to it whatsoever. So yeah, I just have to take it as it comes. I'm not sure how long it is gonna take to actually sink in, but I think it's gonna take some time though because I didn't expect this at all. I swear it was the weirdest experience ever. Like the way I thought of it logically is basically in the outside world. I mean outside Big Brother. Um, the circle of friends that I had, I was the crazy person. So the way I looked at everybody inside the house was basically they were the crazy people in their circles. So now imagine you put all those people together. Now what you're gonna get? You're gonna get the loony bin. It's close to a mental institution. That's what I keep on saying, and I couldn't help it. But that's just the way it was, and I felt like I was going mental in a way. But hey, that's just the reality of the whole situation, and that's why it was a amazing experience, and I can't change that for anything. For the first 2 weeks, I was annoyed with Zainab, but then all of a sudden we became sort of friends. Junior, I was annoyed with certain things, but the thing is, I didn't hate her as a person. She was cool. It was just certain things that irritated me. I don't know why. It was just a natural reaction. Fraser, I felt like there was something about him that wasn't like up to par with people or everyday people that I knew. I thought that maybe because of the game he was acting a bit differently, but it was just something not right. But I mean, after a while, I started to forget about it. It was cool. People that I like the most, I mean, I would say everybody, but I mean, obviously my partner. I mean, he came with me. Obviously, Talia, YTP, Keita, Cal, Alex for sure. Alex always cracked me up for no reason. He's a crazy bastard. Sorry. Um, Jeanette, everybody just made me laugh in some weird way. Rocky for sure. I was sad to see that. I swear, I've never been sad for somebody to leave within 2 weeks out of my life in any way. I thought I was going mental at that present time, but yo, that guy, he's got a brain. I don't know where his brain comes from, but it's not from this planet. My family and myself, man. Um, my family, obviously, that just comes naturally. You need to have family wherever you go. My cell phone, that's my form of connecting to people, finding out information, getting music, listening to music, which is a big part of my life. Um, just talking to people on a daily basis, finding out what's happening in their lives. So yeah, that's like I said, that's my form of connection to people. So yeah, my family and myself. Next year I'm gonna start my studies, and the thing is, once I'm actually wise enough to say this is what I actually want to do with the money, I'm gonna probably invest it in something that I see will benefit me in the future, and not just myself, but yeah, my family, and like I said at the press conference yesterday, Africa as well in some way.